20, mais 20, mais 7. Aí é muito fácil, o professor é 6, 7.
What's up guys, I'm back. You guys must have missed me क्योंकि मैंने कल की अपलोड मिस कर दी थी. I lazed out, okay? I was being lazy yesterday. I was like बाद में करूँगा and like दिन ख़त्म होगा कल का. And अभी भी आज का भी वो ज़्यादा जल्दी रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ. It's like 11:30 or something. Anyways, what's up people? What's up? So आज क्या बात होगी? आज मुद्दे की बात. दिल की बात. So look, today I don't have a specific topic in mind, but like let's go where the flow takes me. So since the morning I've been wondering about one thing. Why do we laze around? Like we can do so many things, yet we just laze around. हम सोचते हैं ये करेंगे and then we will be like बाद में करते हैं and then that stuff just turns into procrastination. We start procrastinating. So guys, trust me, मैंने तो एक कल ही experience कर लिया. Procrastination is not good. It really is the source of all laziness. I found out the hard way, but anyways, look, the more you procrastinate, the more you are prone to becoming lazy and useless. Do you want to become useless? You should not. If your answer is yes, seek mental help, please. Okay, if your answer was no, well, so do I, gang, so do I. We all want to be useful. It's just that कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, situations. Here I go LARPing again. Let me tell you a fun story. Forget that part, okay? Stupid ass me LARPing about. Let's go, another low drop. Yeah. Okay, this starts when I was in 3rd grade. 3rd या 4th class की बात है. It was pre-lockdown era, okay? I don't have that much of a memory to remember it. I deleted my past memories because most of them were like super duper cringe. For example, during lockdown, I was so damn bored. I was so much bored. I could not emphasize on how much bored I was. You know what I did? I, being Ayan and a hyperactive kid, I didn't need to say that, to be honest, but like, trust me when I say this, you will feel the cringe when I say this. So it was a random ass evening and I decided to just do it. And you might be wondering, do what, Ayan? What did you do during the lockdown? What did you do? Let me tell you. मैंने क्या किया? I took my speaker, ठीक है? Speaker लिया, phone लिया, connect किया, and I went into the balcony. बालकनी में जाके मैंने म्यूज़िक प्ले करना शुरू किया एंड आई वाज लाइक थोड़ी देर म्यूज़िक एंजॉय करते हैं बालकनी में लो वॉल्यूम पे. एंजॉय किया फिर बोर्डम आने लगा. वाज लाइक मैन, इट्स बीन 15 minutes एंड स्टिल आई एम बीइंग बोर्ड. सो गेस व्हाट आई डिड. मैंने वॉल्यूम फुल करी. आई प्लेड तुनक तुन एंड स्टार्टेड डांसिंग इन द बालकनी. आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, आई लिटरली डांस्ड in front of an audience. सामने के neighbors like 6 to 7 families, yes, 6 to 7 families watched me dance every day for a whole week, and then the dancing fever came about. I still have queasiness whenever I think about that memory, bro. Okay, secondly, when I was in 3rd grade, okay, this is like another random ass low drop about myself. So, when I was in 3rd grade, you might be wondering, what did you do, Ayan? What did you do in 3rd grade that made itself into the lower list? I, being the flashy kid, oh my gosh, I sound like such a narcissist, oh my days. I, being a flashy kid, what did I do? I found an office carrying pouch. वो 10 वाले पाउच नहीं आते थे पहले, अभी भी आते होंगे, खैर अब मुझे मिलते नहीं यहाँ पे आसपास. दे आर लाइक दिस बिग एंड रेक्टेंगुलर पाउचेस विच आर लाइक नेट से बने होते थे, प्लास्टिक की नेट होती थी यार, सी थ्रू, उसके अंदर पेन वगैरह लेके जाए या. सो आई फाउंड अ बिगर एंड बेटर वर्जन ऑफ इट. They were like this big and they were meant to carry files. I took that, basically didn't even ask my father, and I just ठस्सा मार लिया. I stole it. Stole नहीं कह सकते, I mean घर के अंदर का सामान है, घर में रह रहा है, I'm not stealing it anyways. I took it to school. Mind you, मेरे पे इतने पेन हुआ करते थे, I was like, half of my bag was filled with random ass junk, sharpeners, erasers, pencils, all those stuff I found on the floor. We all did that sometimes, didn't we? So that pouch that was meant to carry like 5 to 6 files around, okay, it was filled to the brim with pouches, pencils and pens and erasers and sharpeners and scales and crayons. So what did I do? I did the grave mistake of carrying it with myself to the school. So there was this maths teacher. Her name was, I'm not gonna tell you her name, bro. She was a cool teacher, even though she beat my ass regularly. But like, come on, every teacher beats their student. She used to do it a bit regularly though. She saw that pouch and confiscated it out of nowhere. Like out of nowhere, bro. I was relaxing. I was like, let me take out this pouch and take a pen. She saw that pouch, took the damn pouch and started teaching. Bro, like, what does my pouch have to do with your teaching, first of all? Secondly, I cried. You know, I look like such a humongous beast, Danav, jungli janwar. Trust me, I cried. I have emotions too. I am only human after all. I cried till I couldn't cry anymore. Then I used my spit to make more tears. You know, ऐसे करके आँखों के पास लगा लिया खूब सारा, फिर ऐसे ड्रिप करने लगा था. I cried for like 1.5 hours straight before ma'am finally decided to give me my pouch back. And उस टाइम ऐसी कंडीशन हो गई थी ना कि like हाँ, इतना मेरी शर्ट it was drenched with tears. Okay, my elbows, उस टाइम मेरी एल्बोज पता नहीं बहुत ही डार्क रहती थी, अब तो बहुत ही ब्राइट हो गई, बट लाइक एट दैट टाइम माई एल्बोज वर सो डार्क दैट मेरे आंसू टेबल पे जब आए, आई जस्ट यू नो टुक सपोर्ट ऑफ माई एल्बो सो दैट मेरा माथा टच ना करे टेबल पे, बिकॉज यू नो दीज सिल्की स्मूथ्स दे नीड सम हेल्प, यू नो. आई फॉरगॉट व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. सो मैंने वहाँ पे अपनी एल्बो रखी एंड वो एल्बो हल्की स्लाइड हो गई, तो मैंने देखा मेरी एल्बो से ब्लैक रेजिड्यू रिलीज हो रहा है. ब्लैक रेजिड्यू, कालापन, मैल निकल रहा है एल्बो से. I was such a filthy kid back then, bro. Don't worry guys, I am pretty hygienic nowadays. I wash my hands after pissing, trust me. You can trust me with these beautiful hands of mine. Okay, let me tell you about another story. It's more of an embarrassing story, but who cares, okay? Everybody does something embarrassing in their own lives. I decided to share my embarrassing story because I can. So क्या होता है, आई एम इन 9th grade, ओके, अभी रिसेंट की बात है, लाइक आई एम इन 12th, इट्स लाइक 3 साल पुरानी बात है. I had to use the school washroom. You know how the story goes. You go to the washroom, your friend finds about it and he tells his other friend, and then the जो बात होती है slowly revolves around the whole class, and then suddenly you see like 50 something boys standing outside your toilet and throwing water from the top. Trust me, I've been through that. But that's not the story. You know what the story is? You wanna know what the story is? Let me tell you. The story was, I went to the washroom because I was severely पेट खराब था. Let's just say मेरा severely पेट खराब था. I went into the toilet without checking. वो toilet blocked था. मुझे बाद में पता चला when I was halfway through the deed. I couldn't even flush. It was blocked. And I was like, let me finish it up real quick. और मैं चला गया. Like पानी भर के जितना बहा सकता था, कुछ बहा नहीं, of course. It was swimming pool of shits. But like, it is going a bit ew. But still. Somehow, one of my friends got the info about me blocking the toilet, and then he decided to go check out that stall. Then he was repulsed by what he saw. Then he invited 5 more of his friends, I remember. They 5 decided to invite other 5, and so on, so on. So basically, the whole 5 sections of the 9th class knew my deed. They didn't know who shat the toilet though. And now my friends call me the shitter, the clogger, and whatnot. Okay, bro. I think this was funny enough. Wasn't it funny? It was funny. I hope that kept you invested in the video. I guess that's enough LARP for today. Tomorrow I will improvise and find more beautiful LARP. Okay? Love you all, gang. I know today's video was a bit rushed, but who cares? At the end I managed to make you laugh, didn't I? Yes, I made you laugh. Okay guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.